tank has gone behind it, right? So I can't just copy somebody's.
I am not generalizing over only doctors. I said engineers also doesn't do this. That is what I.
That is because it's a lack of training.
Yeah, that is what it is.
See, it's a lack of training because somebody has not. Why am I doing it? Because I have been told my boss at Coimbatore, and who was he? He was a professor in UK. So since I spent 2 years with him, so whenever you do a presentation, it's mandatory that you give credit to from where you have taken your things and you mention those names. So that doesn't happen with people who are not in touch with. If I was not in touch with my boss there, definitely I would have done more of Google copy paste and then come and spoken something in front of it. So it should not be like that.
What the Professor Srinivas said, absolutely agree. There was more engineering in your presentation that we are very much appreciable.
No, it has to be a multidisciplinary approach.
Second thing is, our radiologist insisting us to come and do research, and he is the first one. I hope I clap for you, sir. I have gone for like any this one. I will not get the data, sir. I am searching for blood to smear like cancer blood. If you have, please give me. I will do research. And so this is what data collection they doesn't keep or they don't give. It's all.
It's not that we don't give because there are no platforms to store our data.
Yeah.
See, if you come to my hospital now, I have all the data of CT and MR from 2011 August 8th. Like August 1st I joined. So August 8th I said no, we need to have server, we need to have remote reporting, all those things we put in place. So that is all there now. But if you ask me for X-rays, I didn't bother much myself in my own department when the management was ready to buy me anything. See, that shows that even I am not complete. So now again we have gone back and said, okay, no, X-ray also we need to back up all the data. Because we don't have solutions. See, when we think of something, so the packs, typical large packs would cost about 1 crore 3 years back. Now today there are packs, that is picture archival communicating systems. Vendors are coming and saying, so we can customize your packs. So many monitors, so much memory for so many years, so we will manage it. They are coming down to a cost of 10-15 lakhs. I would say that if some of your students can join hands or some of the staff can join hands with us and try and develop a packs for our own Davangere hospitals, that will be fabulous. We don't have to shell out that additional 15 lakhs for, in the bargain, what do you get? You get access to all those images. So which engineers can use to manipulate and play and come out with new things. So that will happen only once we all think alike. Here thinking alike is difficult. So we have to come together, that's all.
Just quote one example, how simple thing the big people are doing. Just I have like some endoscopy heart surgery, something like vascular block, I don't know the terminologies.
Okay.
Heart attack, like, so they blown something in endoscopic and they some plastic. So the Philips software, the software is provided by Philips. So the Akkad Hospital gave a picture CD, writing and those. What they are doing is, they are click the frames wise, just they are displaying on that software. And it is designed by Philips. Can't we do that? That is what the question like. Just displaying the frames and it is looking like it is a movie. So
it's called a cine loop.
Yeah, cine loop. Like it's a very basic thing. Like we can all do. Our student can do that. So this is how like.
See, one simple software of image processing. It costs us about 10 lakhs.
But we can develop. I hope like.
And our UG students are doing some projects related to biomedical, that's infant diagnosis. For that they are taking a data from the Bapuji Children Hospital, and Dr. Gupta is helping in this regard. Again, this is related to biomedical.
Yeah, it has to be like that. It has to be multidisciplinary and it's not just radiology, there are a lot of things. I said simple, managing diabetic data itself is a big industry, as well as it can become a big entrepreneurial project. It will make money as well as it will make health. See, at the bottom line, every human being wants money. So even I will want money, you will want money. So whether we want our money to come with something new or just beat around the same old thing and keep making money and ultimately go and pay somebody, maybe to a doctor or to a politician or to an IT professional because he has come and traded it. So that's where our outlook should change. All of us need money, there is no doubt. And with whatever we talk research and all these things, ultimately there has to be a personal gain. Only then you will put your brains into it. See, why will any teacher in an institute will take up a research project? What is the reason? See, if the research project is supposed to be successful and it gets recognized, it creates money, then believe me, all of us will do 10 projects before we retire, which will make money. So there has to be benefit, and ultimately it has to be a financial benefit. So there is no structured things, what happens things. So we need to formulate a structure of how we are going to collaborate, how we will do it. So now I have a concept, like we want to unify many medical colleges and all that, but that's not very easy. So we will have to go and talk to people. Why any other medical college will want to collaborate with any other medical college? So they would say, the patients who will come to our hospital, why would we need to collaborate with yours? So there are so many things. That's why I said multidisciplinary. You need everyone who is involved, support is required. Otherwise it's all just talk and go.
There are no more questions. Immensely thank Kishan Bhagavan for giving a wonderful talk and discussing with us regarding challenges and opportunities which are taken up as research projects in the particularly collaborative works in medicine and engineering. So actually the earlier schedule according it was on 23rd. Then we have discussed, then he said, I don't want to miss the opportunity to share with you. You shift to the 24th, I will be available definitely on the 24th. Just morning he came and afternoon he is presenting here. So thank you sir, thank you for request Pushpalata madam to present a bouquet and a memento to her.
Excuse me.
So we wait for tea. After the tea we will have a